What's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday. Today is December the 17th. We are out here on one of two projects today. We're in Cumming, Georgia. This is a new client. We are doing a granite countertop, and it's pretty interesting, guys. First time I've seen this. Someone has put polyurethane on her countertops because they want them shiny. So I'm gonna show you guys this, and then after this, we gotta go do a wax removal for a contractor that was doing a project, and one of his employees put wax on the client's floors, and that job is in Kennesaw. So let's focus on this job first. So let me show you guys what we're gonna be doing today. Hey guys, so we're in Cumming, Georgia. This client sent me some pictures. Last week I gave her a price. She said let's do it. Saw my videos, and I'll show you what we got going today. So this is pretty interesting. All right, guys, so these are the countertops we're going to be doing. We got our kit in over here, and over here. Now look at this, guys. Yeah, look at this. Polyurethane on the countertops. Yep. So just like anything else, see that? Look at that. So polyurethane will only adhere if it has something to stick to. And look at that. So what we're going to do is get all this polyurethane off the floor. Just going to scrape it off because it's just basically sitting on top. And this is what will happen too on a wood floor. If you don't prep a wood floor right, this is exactly what's going to happen. It's going to sit on top and it's going to start peeling off. All right, take a look at that. There you go. Try to tell her. All right, guys. So now you can already feel how smooth. So what we're going to do once we get all the polyurethane off, let's probably ask my client for a trash bag. Put all this poly in the trash bag just in case you want to use it for later. Just kidding. You gotta be humorous, guys. But yep. So go ahead and knock this all off, and then get us a good video. All right, guys. Stay tuned.
Man. Now, who in the world would think about doing some mess like this right here? Polyurethane on granite countertops. Oh, man. Another job for Truman. Poly on granite, who thought that was right? Peeling and chipping, yeah, it's coming off tonight. Call Truman up, yeah, we handle that pain. One day restoration, bring that stone back to life again. Client found us online, said you gotta come see this countertop crying, saying please save me. That finish ain't bonded, nah, it don't belong. It's flaking like crazy, but Truman stays strong. Man, look at this. It's chipping off like potato chips. Low-key, kinda satisfying, but still, polyurethane on granite? Poly on granite, yeah, we've seen it before. Wrong stuff, wrong place, but Truman got the cure. Scrape it, clean it, polish it right. One day countertop restoration, shining bright. Shining bright, shining bright. Country blues humming, radio playing low, yes, low. Stone coming back, yeah, we putting on a show. Oh, client gon' walk in, eyes real wide, say ain't no way this the same countertop inside. Look at Truman go, countertop looking brand new already. She ain't even gonna believe it when she see it, but still. Poly on countertops, who raised y'all? Truman Countertops, yeah, we do it in a day. Bring a stone back to life the professional way. Yeah, clean it, buff it, restore that shine. Truman Countertop Restoration, every single might call the right people. Poly off. Stone save, another one done. That's Truman. That's Truman.
Alright guys, that is going to do it. My client is very, very happy. You can really see the true beauty of these granites now. So we got all that poly off that someone else did not know what they were doing. Do not put poly, guys, on your granite. No, put it on anything, okay? Wow. You can really see the glare from certain items. This looks amazing. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. We're going to head to our next project, which is a wood floor wax removal. All right. See you in the next one.